In this video, you are going to see how to rotate text box in Microsoft PowerPoint, as you can see here. Let's get started. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box, drag it over here and write your text here. Now, if you want to give a border style like this, click on over here, go to Shape Format, go to Shape Outline and give outline color. Go to Shape Outline, go to Void and you can increase or decrease the outline, and go to Home and make it center. If you want to rotate it, use this handle to rotate like this, and you can put it anywhere. Click on over here, go to Shape Format, go to Rotate, go to More Rotation option, and from here you can write the exact rotation. You can write here 240 degree, hit enter, then it will rotate like this. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.